Student, now we are going to solve that exercise 4.1 class 10 advancements. Question number 3011. 2 less than the root of x square minus 16x plus 63 equal to 0, and we have to find the quadratic equation whose roots are, which means students, for the quadratic equation, you know there are two roots, and roots are already given. One condition is 2 less than the root of x square minus 16x plus 63 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, and we have to find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 less than. So let's have a look how to find this one. Student, now look how to solve this one. Question number 3011 from exercise 4.1 class 10 advanced maths. Let the roots of the equation means the given one is x square minus 16x plus 63 equal to 0. This is the given equation, and the roots of the equation are alpha and beta. Now look, student, alpha plus beta, which means sum of the roots. So alpha plus beta equal to, formula is minus b by a. What is the minus b here? Minus b by a, but value minus b is what? Minus 16. Minus b by a is 1 here. Now look after that, student. So there is alpha plus beta equal to minus minus plus, so plus 16, and the product of the root, which means alpha into beta. There is the product of the root. So student, product of the root is alpha into beta, so alpha into beta is c by a. Now value of c is 63 by 1, which means alpha into beta equal to 63. This is the product of the root. Now look, student, according to the question, it is mentioned that 2 less than the roots, which means we write down here, therefore the roots of the required quadratic equation are, now roots are, in the question it is mentioned that 2 less than, which means alpha minus 2 is one root, and next one is beta minus 2 is the another root, which means it is mentioned that 2 less than the roots. So student, now with the new root, what is the sum of the equation here? So we write down here. Now look here, therefore sum of the two roots, which means here sum of the two roots means alpha minus 2 plus beta minus 2. So if I remove the bracket here, then so alpha minus 2 plus beta minus 2, now there is alpha plus beta, minus 2 is minus 4. Now what is the value of alpha plus beta here? 16. So we'll just put down directly 16 here. 16 minus 4, and there is 12. This is the sum of the two roots, which means with the new two roots. Next one is student, product of the two roots, which means the new one, two roots. Here is alpha minus 2 into beta minus 2. Now look, student, after that go for the multiplication. Alpha into beta is alpha beta, then minus twice alpha, there is minus twice beta, minus minus plus 2 to the 4. Now look, student, after that here alpha beta, there is minus 2 common, then alpha plus beta plus 4. So what is the value of alpha beta here? Look, student, initially we have got the answer of alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is how much? 63. Alpha plus beta is 16. So we'll put down here the value directly, that alpha into beta is 63 minus 2 into 16 plus 4. This value is 16. Now look after that, 63 minus 16 to the 32 plus 4. Now look, student, 63 plus 4, 67 minus 32. Now if you go for the subtraction here, 7 minus 2 is 5, 6 minus 3 is 3. So product of the two new roots equal to 35. Now look student, after that we have to make the equation, which means we have to find the quadratic equation. So with the new two roots, which means sum of the two roots and product of the two roots, we'll write down the quadratic equation now. Now student, look here that therefore the required quadratic equation equal to, I'm writing here now, equal to x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. So student, here x square minus sum of the roots, look here now, sum of the roots is here 12 according to the new two roots, that sum of the roots is 12 and product of the roots is 35. So we'll put down here directly 12x plus 35 equal to 0, here equal to 0. So this is the answer of the quadratic equation, that x square minus 12x plus 35 equal to 0. This is the answer of the first question, 311.